If you're an entrepreneur, author, beginning or intermediate speaker who wants to gain more consulting clients, increase your customer base, fill up your speaking calendar, boost your platform skills, or earn higher paid speaking gigs, then ask yourself right now, how much more successful would you be at reaching your goals if you were mentored by world-class communicators and trainers who walk their talk and earn a yearly six-figure income or more? Hi, I'm author, humorist, and public speaking coach Peter Fogel. I've gone out and assembled 30 of the nation's top gun public speakers to help boost your public speaking, training, and consulting career with their in-the-trenches knowledge and expertise. Get ready to increase your platform prowess and catapult your career to the next level of success with my new ebook, The World's Best Kept Public Speaking Secrets. In it, you will discover in the shortest time possible how to create a niche within your speaking business so you can dominate your market. The 9 key reasons you're struggling with your speaking career and the best ways to correct them. 6 essential steps to creating a surefire power pack your audience will hang on every word presentation. The 6 nonverbal communicators you must be aware of if you want to communicate your message effectively. 5 proven ways to overcome stage fright, not to mention hundreds of other proven techniques too numerous to mention here. Just listen to what other industry pros say about my manual. Peter Fogel has provided the best antidote in his new manual, World's Best Kept Public Speaking Secrets. You have at your fingertips a veritable compendium of strategies for mastering the skills and artistry of public speaking. World's Best Kept Public Speaking Secrets comes from real working pros that can make any speaker, beginner or advanced, reach their goals quicker. The contributors to this manual have paved the road of success for you. Now it's your turn to get on. There's a wealth of information in this manual. Don't try to read it non-stop. Anyone who is even just considering public speaking should read it, but do it slowly and savor all the wisdom that resides here. Interested in getting steady gigs that can lead to 5-figure speaking fees? Want to leap over your competition and get your speaking calendar booked? Well, now you can. That's because, for a limited time only, when you order my manual today, I'll include over $80 worth of free bonuses. Special bonus recording number 1, branding yourself in this tough economy to get more speaking engagements. Special MP3 recording bonus number 2, help me to hire you. Surefire strategies for getting booked and staying booked from a speaker-turned-planner. For more information on how to order the World's Best Kept Public Speaking Secrets manual, plus the bonuses, and to sign up for my free 7 Days to More Effective Public Speaking e-course, go right now to www.publicspeaklikeapro.com/public-speaking-secrets.html.